Hello, boss. I'm your Michael from China Dyson Company. Today, I introduce our desktop charging socket to you. It is a UK desktop socket, flush-mounted. Touch a button for automatic lifting and lowering. It can be charged wired or wirelessly. The top surface is made of tempered glass, IP53 waterproof and oil resistant. There's black, white, gray, multiple colors available. A big highlight is the four-position modes surrounding design. Very small and space-saving. The four-position combinations are OEM customized, like UK socket, USB fast charging, wireless charging, Bluetooth speakers for free choice. Below four regular combinations for your reference. You can also contact us to customize other more combinations. The melting hole diameter is 110 millimeters. There's a UK power supply cord. After plugging in and powering on, you can use the socket normally.